Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Ethereum update today. There are some few findings I've seen on Ethereum that I wanted to do an update today, and those Ethereum fans who like to trade Ethereum, those who have big money out there that love to trade Ethereum and Bitcoin, I think this video is going to be super useful. Now there are two situations that we're stuck in right now, and as a trader it's kind of very hard to understand what's going to go on. Nowadays, Ethereum consolidates, and it consolidates a lot. It really consolidates. And right now, you can see that there has been consolidation since 24th of June. Today's 29. So for 5 days straight, you've just been making sideways movement, and there's no any, real progress at the moment. Now 15 minutes time frame suggests that you do have a potential left shoulder head and the right shoulder going on in here. So a distribution pattern is in the making right now, and for some reason I thought that this is coming down to one end, and this is where you could have just pop out and go down. But the thing is, again, it's crypto, and crypto did what crypto does, and this is just absolutely unnecessary kind of consolidation just to disturb a lot of people's mind, of course. Now the thing is that if this head and shoulders play out, I think that Ethereum is pretty much going to go down if it starts to really break out and play, and then that's going to be 2264, and from this current price that we're in right now, that's going to be 7.2% drop down. But that's the first finding, right? So the second finding here is going to be the weekly. Now the weekly time frame has 14 hours to close, and today's Sunday, the last day of the week. Next week opens up as a new week, and you can see that we have a red and a green candle. Okay, so the red and the green candle, this is a bullish candle basically. Now this is where it becomes tricky. It becomes tricky to understand whether Ethereum is actually very interested to go down or not. But anyways, time will tell, and the thing is that these are trades that are a little bit tricky, because on the weekly you have a different closing, and then on the smaller time frame you also have a very different closing as well. Now for me, I've actually gone and take a short position, but the thing is, yes, I do have very small risk, tiny risk with I think it is 24.58. So if you look at that, it's almost like a 0.7% risk, that's all. But to me personally, I have a feeling it's gonna go down. But yes, if Bitcoin starts to pump up again and whatnot. Now speaking of Bitcoin as well, I think that Bitcoin has come to a place where it has actually dumped before. So if I do show you this resistance, you can see that there's this one touch of the line and a move down, another little bit of a fake out here, move down, another little bit of trying to break, and right now you can see you're just right over at that resistance. So basically you still have chances for Bitcoin to see some rejection of Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin, if it does drop down from this resistance, then Ethereum as well is going to follow down, and that's the reason why I took this short position. So that's it for the video on Ethereum. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.